Now, once the teacher has invited you to a breakout room, you might be getting this particular notification on your side, that is, you have been invited to any of the breakout room number. It might be 1, 2, 3, it depends upon the number of room teacher have created. You might be getting two buttons, cancel and join. You have to click on the join button. Now, when you click on the join button, it will take few seconds for you to join in the corresponding breakout room. Now, once you are there in the breakout room, my dear kids, you have to wait for few seconds over there. Let your partners join the breakout room over there. It will hardly take few seconds in order to join the breakout room. It depends upon the network connectivity. If your network is too strong, you will be able to get connected in the breakout room very quickly. But if there are certain network glitches at your end, it might take certain time in order to enter to the breakout room. So we have to wait till we are entering the breakout room. Now, once you are there in the breakout room, you will get a notification. You will get a screen like this with certain notifications on it. Now, as you are able to see, this is a normal room. I'm in breakout room. Are you able to see in breakout room 1 over here, ending in 2 minutes? This will show you the timer where the teacher has said. So the call will end in 2 minutes. Over here, it is ask for help. You can just click on this particular button. The teacher will get a notification as this room has asking for help. We have to wait for 2 seconds. We have to wait for 2 minutes. Let your teachers come and join the meeting. Teachers will be posting the Google Doc link once they will be joining in the breakout room. So this is the user interface of the breakout room. Yes, currently I'm in breakout room 1. You are able to see the participant list. You will be able to see the chat with everyone. You will be able to see activities such as polls, Q&A and breakout rooms over here. You are able to see over here the timer is reducing and ending in 1 minute. You are able to see that means we are having 1 minute to start with our discussion or to end our discussion. We have to wait for a few seconds again. So please remember, this is now you are able to see when the time is 30 seconds, the bar automatically turns red. The bar automatically turns red. That means we are having only 30 seconds in order to end the discussion. Once we are with the discussion, it will show us a notification on our side. That means the breakout room has ended and we have to join to the main call. So once the breakout room is ended, you are able to see over here 5. Over here, you will get a notification like this, return to the main call. So you have to return to the main call. Once you return to the main call, you will be joining the main call with your teachers and then you can speak whatever you have discussed in your breakout rooms. I'm just waiting to join or return to the main call. Again, it will take few seconds in order to join to the main call as we have done in the join breakout room, bacha. You are able to see again it is buffering. That means again it is taking few time in order to join to the main call. Yes, now this is there. You are there in your main call with your peers and with your teachers, and you can discuss one by one. The teachers will be calling out the names of the students, and those students will have to share their thoughts which they have done in the breakout room. This is the main call again.